Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm late to the game, but today's video I'm going to be unboxing the November Ipsy Glam Bag. We're just going to be reviewing the products. I'm going to do like a score of 1 to 10 on what I think the products are. So far, Ipsy's been doing good the last like 2 months, so fingers crossed that it's still pretty good. But if you are new, hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a lifestyle college YouTuber and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and join this little family of ours. I'm doing Vlogmas this year, so if you guys are returning subscribers or if you're new, just know I am trying to do Vlogmas every day, so I don't know how good I'm gonna be or if I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm so excited. So if you're not already, please subscribe and you'll see videos of me probably every day in December, hopefully. So enough rambling, let's go into this Ipsy unboxing for the November Ipsy bag. So we're gonna open it up, making sure there's nothing in here. Okay, I think the November Ipsy bag is actually really cute. I love this like 3 different color patterns here. It's really adorable. You get this card, but I'm not gonna open up. I have an Ipsy playlist, if you guys didn't know, because I do a review every month. So on every month of Ipsy, I literally don't look at any of the products when they email me or when I get this card. So I just like it to be a surprise, and it can be a little relationship here thing. I just like to be I'm trying to do a video. I just like to be surprised with you guys, so let's open this Ipsy bag. So the first item is, I don't know, it's called Overtime Blush, so I'm guessing it's a blush. Never heard of this brand before. It just says C on it. Oh, I like the packaging though. Oh wow, that's actually a pretty color. It's like a rosy pink color. I really like this. I don't know why it's lacquer here. It could have been a mirror on there, but I really like this. Never heard of the brand before. It's called Complex Culture. It's really cute packaging. I would rate this a 5 out of 10 because I don't know if I would really use this blush because I have so many other blushes that I use personally. But yeah, I think this is really pretty if you're on the go or you just need another blush on hand. So the next product in my Ipsy bag is, ooh, this is a cute packaging. Look how pink this is. It's called Honey Jared Cleanser. Ew, my dog farted. That's disgusting. Smells like a flower. I get a flower scent when I smell this. This is really cute. I need to try this out. I usually use the CeraVe cleanser. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. This is really cute. I love the packaging. I honestly would rate this a 7 out of 10 because I would honestly use this. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Cleansers are a must for your skincare routine. So the next thing in my Ipsy bag is, I think it's a nail polish. Yeah, it's a nail polish by the brand Misho Beauty. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Whoa, look at this. This looks luxury. Wow, I love the glass ball on top. Wow, actually, honestly, I would use this. It's like more of a deep purple nude color. This is so cute. I would definitely use this. So honestly, a 10 out of 10 because I think me and my sister would use this. I love it. It feels luxury, has a good amount of product in there for your nails, and I really had to do my nails because they're plain, right, Winnie? So the fourth product in my Ipsy bag, oh, woo! It's something from First Aid Beauty. It's a face moisturizer. I have nothing from First Aid Beauty, so I'm actually really happy I got something from them. I heard their line is really good for your skin, so I can't wait to try this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I've always heard influencers like raving about this brand, so I'm so excited to try this. And then the last Ipsy item is this Stuck On You eye primer, and it's in this little box. That's so cute. It's from the Beauty Crop. My dog's scratching herself. Are you okay? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It kind of looks like Anastasia Dip Brow. Wait, let me open this up and see how it is. It's an eye primer, so that's really intriguing that I got an eye primer. I don't have anything eye primer. I just use like concealer. Oh wow, yeah, there is pigment there. I thought it was more like a chapstick, but no, it's basically a concealer. Oh yeah, that is awesome. I really like this. Honestly, I would rate this an 8 out of 10 because I might honestly forget about this and use my concealer for my eyeshadow. Speaking of eyeshadow, I actually did my eyes today. I don't know if you can tell them. I put like a little glitter and brown eyeshadow. I used the Lauren Geller eyeshadow from my FabFitFun box. I didn't do a FabFitFun box this season, but I did get an eyeshadow from there that I will link down below for you guys because I think it's the perfect neutral palette. Like, it's so pretty. There's so many glitter shades and so many like nude like matte shades. I absolutely love. My eyeshadow reminded me because honestly I did a pretty good job because I don't usually do blue eyeshadow. Hi, I know you want to get in the video. Say hi. Hi. So those are all the Ipsy products I got in my Ipsy November glam bag. I'm so sorry that this is late and it's almost December and I'm doing Vlogmas, so it's really gonna be crazy, my uploading schedule. So expect a video every single day in December. If I find any of these products, I will link them down below for you guys, and the eyeshadow palette that I said already. If you do purchase something, it's gonna be affiliate, so I'm gonna just make a small little income out of it, but it's a no additional charge for you guys. It's just a great way to support me as a creator on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching my Ipsy November glam bag unboxing and reviewing. Please leave a comment down below if you guys got Ipsy glam bag this month and tell me if we got any repeats, or if you got something that I didn't, or if you aren't subscribed to Ipsy every month, then just tell me what products you like the most. So on that note, have a good rest of your day. Remember to subscribe because I'm doing Vlogmas this year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye! Say bye! Bye guys!